Welcome to NGPS Technology Revolution Day, and thank you for being with us today. We are here in our industrial plant in Cosio Valtellina in northern Italy, the beating heart of the energy and mobility industries. I'm really excited for today, and the news we have to share with you. Today is the day, because we will unveil our 2023 technology roadmap. But let me take a quick step back. In 2015, during the IPO process, you will remember we presented our products like the Electroself, one of the first ever developed hydrogen batteries in the world, but we also presented our first technology roadmap, developing HIS, hybrid energy storage system, a hybrid technology vertically integrated into an open architecture, able to integrate the renewables and batteries, or even hydrogen, with the national grid, diesel generation, or even thermal power plants, to address the storage market and off-grid applications at the grid scale level. This was the ambition. Think about it. This was clearly written into our IPO prospectus. And 2 years later, we made it, becoming the #1 player in the world for microgrids and integrating the first largest multi-megawatt storage systems in Europe. Then, with 36 projects realized, 47 megawatt hours in operation and 86 people at that time, in May 2017 we launched the 2020 technology roadmap, which was in essence distributed smart storage, advanced energy storage systems for enhanced frequency regulation, spinning reserve and capacity firming, but also e-mobility, with clear projects related to vehicle-to-grid and fast charge for electric vehicles. This was 2017. And we made it again, with over 175 megawatt in operation and over 700 megawatt hours of projects awarded and under construction. So today we are here launching our new 2023 technology roadmap, but just from a new, different perspective. I mean, in 2015, EPS was a tech startup moving its very first step in the energy world. While today we are one of the few international and competitive players in this space, a technology company and even more importantly an industrial player. One of the most successful storage system integrators in the world and certainly one of the e-mobility leaders in Europe, able to transform technological disruptions into industrial products. But EPS is mainly its people. In 2015, EPS had 38 employees. Today we are over 140 people. In 2015, we were almost all Italians. Now we have 18 nationalities, and 1/3 of us has a PhD or an MBA, because in EPS we choose talents and we make our best to raise them. And thanks to our talents, in these years, we have been able to file more than 130 patents and more than 1,200 industrial secrets, introducing iconic innovations in the energy storage and e-mobility sectors. You remember from the very first battery-powered black start of a national grid with the Terna Storage Lab in 2016, to eventually the Easy Wallbox, our unique charging device for electric vehicles launched in 2020. And this led us to become, in 2020, although it was a year marked by the devastating COVID-19 pandemic, a worldwide Tier 1 player. We have been awarded with over 700 megawatt hours of storage projects worldwide. We are manufacturing more than 50,000 charging devices for electric vehicles. And we recently signed a joint venture with Stellantis, one of the largest automakers in the world, to create a major European player in the e-mobility sector. But again, this is the past, and it's now time to announce what's next. Because thanks to EPS people's extraordinary work, today we launch our 2023 technology roadmap that will revolutionize the future of energy, unveiling the seamless link between energy storage and e-mobility. And this will not be made by me. No. This will be made by our extraordinary people that you deserve to meet. And for this reason, I then leave the floor to our technology, research and development teams, the epicenter of change for EPS and the future of energy.
Every 3 years, EPS presents its technology roadmap. Today, we define once more the innovation and technology strategy to maintain our pioneering leadership in energy storage and e-mobility. In a world that changes rapidly, Our mantra is to keep our eyes open, to capture any market evolution and react as soon as possible, focusing only on the main deliverables to produce. So, even if EPS is already one of the most advanced system providers and a solid industrial player, we continue to push technological limits beyond any state of the art, adapting our nature and structure to the booming of our reference markets with the philosophy evolve or die. We do not believe in incremental innovation, nor in cost optimization. We focus entirely our R&D efforts in technological disruption, in innovation that can create a tangible impact in this world. For our evolution, we have always followed a clear roadmap, and looking back every 3 years, we felt very proud. Before unveiling our next roadmap, let's focus on the main results we achieved in 2017 and 2020 plans. In the last 6 years, we shaped and completed our unique IES technology platform. Today, IES is composed by 4 technology families and more than 30 products, designed and developed entirely by EPS. IES is the outcome of more than 15 years of research and development, started when we were young researchers in our spin-off of Politecnico di Milano. We started from the pivotal element of our power converter system family, KVIS HD, a storage inverter designed specifically for high-power dense energy storage. Then we developed the new IES HD containers, 6 new solutions with high power and energy density to allow us to secure projects for over 700 MWh. Thanks to the iconic Prophet project launched in 2018 with Politecnico di Milano, our control platform evolved to cutting-edge digital products, namely Prophet EMS and KVIS. In addition, we extended the IES platform to the new technology family Move, to include EV charging solution, V2X and second life applications. We realized the Mirafiori 2 MW vehicle-to-grid charging station, the largest in the world, and launched on the market the first wallbox that you can install yourself, which is now distributed in 19 European countries. But such results didn't come out of the blue, but from a 4-year collaboration with FCA, now Stellantis, to support the launch on their electric platform. Driven by such great successes and with a development roadmap in common, we decided to launch a new e-mobility company, an ambitious joint venture with an immense potential. To tell you more about it, I'll hand over to Giorgio.
I'm excited to tell you more about the NHOA, stemmed from the collaboration between EPS and FCA, now Stellantis. The JV will focus on the development and supply of innovative and unique products and services. In the wake of our recent achievements, we will deliver a full platform of EV charging devices for B2C, B2B, and public infrastructure. We will also provide charging package services and even large turnkey solutions with storage, V2G functionality and battery life management. Thanks to the combination of our extraordinary skills and the strength of a global car maker as Stellantis, the NHOA will be an unparalleled player in the booming electric mobility market. EPS will share its know-how and experience in designing, developing and realizing innovative e-mobility and storage solutions to guarantee the NHOA's success. To boost EPS growth and the NHOA ambitions within a very short time, we outlined our 2023 technology roadmap, a joint development plan that is at the same time futuristic and very concrete. The entire roadmap revolves around a crucial axis: the synergic integration between e-mobility and energy storage. We shaped the plan on 5 clear pillars: seamless connection between energy storage and e-mobility, as we are the only team that can handle its entire technological complexity. Restless focus on strategic battery procurement, reinforcing partnerships with selected preeminent suppliers, leveraging on our position in the e-mobility segment. Variety reduction program, building innovative and flexible product families exploiting our IS technological platform. Driving e-mobility disruption. We will launch products that competitors cannot even imagine, such as Vehicle 2X functionalities, EV battery use as stationary storage, and advanced services for private and public charging. Military-grade processes with a 100% agile organization to enhance productivity, minimize the time to market. We divided such an ambitious 2023 technology roadmap into 18 R&D projects led by a team of 43 researchers for a total investment of 25 million euros. Our IS technological platform is composed of 4 technology families, where we funnel our vertically integrated expertise. Move, a complete suite of AC and DC electric vehicles charging solutions for a quick and easy electrification of mobility. Store, with a range of containerized housings for battery and hydrogen storage, fulfilling world-class density, operational, safety and affordability requirements. Convert and connect, systems designed to interface battery and electrical vehicles with the surrounding electrical environment, from microgrids to continental grids. Control, a groundbreaking suite of cutting-edge digital control systems to maximize safety and performance of all our products. Sure to have increased your curiosity, it's time to get ready. I'm now leaving the floor to our team to lead you on this exciting journey, to discover details and key aspects of our 2023 technological roadmap. Enjoy!
We created our technology family Move to design and craft revolutionary solutions to make the charging experience easy. We don't just supply wallboxes. Leveraging on 15-year expertise in microgrids and energy storage systems, we provide unique solutions, from a 2 kW domestic AC charger to a 25 MW DC fast charging station in a single vehicle-to-grid EV facility. For our R&D team, easy is not just a slogan. It is a technological driver during each phase of a solution development, as we already proved last year with Easy Wallbox. We started from the market segment that needed the simplest user experience, charging electric vehicles at home. Easy Wallbox is an AC single-phase wallbox with a revolutionary plug-and-play design that tears down installation costs. Any user can complete the setup in about 20 minutes, plugging Easy Wallbox directly in an existing socket, up to 2.3 kW. If more power is needed, it can be extended up to 7.4 with a power upgrade. Also, we wanted to avoid blackouts while charging, so we implemented dynamic power management. Everything needed is included in the product package: the current sensor, the connection interface, and all the software. With Easy Wallbox, we started from the hardest challenge, as our technical team had to switch from designing multi-megawatt power plants to a mass-scale, tiny product. Easy Wallbox was a success. We started selling e-mobility products 9 months ago, and we are currently delivering 50,000 wallboxes. But this is just the first step, as our ambitious plan aims at more than 1.2 million units delivered within 2030, spreading the easy revolution even further. To do that, we are extending the product lineup with 5 new products. Let's start with ePro Wallbox, a 3-phase AC wallbox that inherits all Easy Wallbox advantages. With a wide span of charging configurations from 2 to 22 kW, ePro Wallbox pushes the flexibility even forward. Plug-and-play connection in mode 2 and power upgrade, both single and 3-phase connections supported. ePro Wallbox takes any ambitious customer through his electrification journey. We innovated also the connectivity, exploiting the power line communication to make the dynamic power management seamless. Also, ePro Wallbox will solve in advance the connectivity problems in areas with low wireless and 4G coverage, such as home garages or underground parking lots. ePro Wallbox will be a crucial innovation, but the global easy electrification is not complete without public and semi-public applications. The development of Easy Public was just our first step in that direction. An AC charging station with 2 charging points of 22 kilowatts each. Easy Public is designed specifically to satisfy the needs both of e-mobility service providers and charging point operators, thanks to an integrated dedicated platform and a robust design. Our backend platform is offered for installation on premises or according to the software-as-a-service paradigm. It also supports roaming, load management, and the entire payment definition and process to enable and support any business model. However, the real added value for public applications will be offering a full fast charging experience. But this would imply a shock for the electrical distribution grid, as installing only 4 fast charging points can require up to 600 kilowatts. As the average size of a step-down transformer in Europe is 500 kilowatt, fast charging seems impossible, at least without a huge amount of grid transformation and civil works. Quite a problem, especially in an urban context. This is why we designed and patented ePost Cityway, a revolutionary DC fast charging solution born to exploit all tramway and trolleybus existing infrastructures. ePost Cityway will deliver DC fast charging up to 100 kW, getting the energy directly from tramway and trolleybus DC power supplies. It will fully exploit an existing infrastructure, also helping energy recovery while tramways break. The connection of ePost Cityway will have zero impact on the AC distribution network and will require no civil works, making also the fast charging experience easy. But this is not enough for us. EPS has its maximum experience in handling microgrids and complex power plants. This is why our greatest effort in the MOVE family in 2023 technology roadmap will be in designing bidirectional DC fast charging stations for large EV parking areas, as an evolution of our 2 megawatt vehicle-to-grid plant in Mirafiori. Francesco will tell you more.
The Mirafiori pilot project is one of our 2020 greatest successes. It's a full operating vehicle-to-grid DC fast charging station with 2 MW of installed power. It is currently testing grid services from the batteries of NHOA 500 to optimize vehicle-to-grid functionalities. With this project, we unlocked all our microgrids and storage experience by transforming electric vehicles into the largest form of flexibility for the European electrical grid. Within the end of the year, the innovative plant will be extended to 25 MW, operating as fast reserve unit for Terna, the Italian transmission system operator. 600 electric vehicles connected together, acting as a single storage system to improve the stability of the grid frequency. 12 fast response in less than 300 milliseconds, the plant will also integrate a stationary system based on 114-second life NHOA 500 batteries. Such a pioneering power plant will be deployed with our new product line, eFleet. Our centralized solution to DC fast charge EV fleets and provide vehicle-to-grid services. eFleet is a 800-1500 voltage DC microgrid, composed by our repost, a distributed 100 kW bidirectional charging unit, and our proprietary centralized power conversion system with a medium voltage grid interconnection. eFleet is scalable from 20 to 1,000 electric vehicles, each one charged and controlled independently by Prophet TMS, our proprietary control platform. What today is just an innovative 25 megawatt vehicle-to-grid parking is already the product that we will provide to commercial EV fleets, airports, malls, and large parking areas in the next 3 years. In 2025, 25% of public installation will be in DC, and commercial vehicle charging points will be 4 times the one installed in 2020. But DC fast charging booming has a tough obstacle to overcome: the challenge of expensive grid upgrades. For this reason, we are developing eFast. It will allow to unlock DC fast charging everywhere. eFast is equipped with a grid inverter up to 22 kW, a 50 kW DC fast charger, and an embedded stationary battery up to 85 kWh. The battery pack affects up to 55% of the total cost. For this reason, we keep eFast with second life battery modules coming from electric vehicles, reducing the product cost by 35%. Exploiting the existing interconnection, eFast can provide more than 100 km of autonomy in less than 30 minutes, just the time for a shower or a business vehicle. Thanks to our vertically integrated know-how and our machine learning algorithms, eFast optimizes the use of the embedded battery to provide the easiest charging experience. Also, exploiting its bidirectional grid inverter, eFast unlocks vehicle-to-grid functionalities including power peak shaving, energy time shifting, and black start in case of grid outage. We have both product and system design in our DNA. So we already conceived eFast as a flexible product family. With our eFast Maxi, we combine 3 eFast units to reach ultra-fast charging up to 150 kW. This is a flexible and scalable solution for fuel stations, hotels, commercial buildings, and small EV fleets. With an add-on, eFast Maxi reaches up to 500 kWh of installed capacity, more than 1,000 km fast charging without getting energy from the grid, in less than 8 square meters. eFast solution is extremely compact. Anyway, we know that it requires a space not always available. As an example, adding a dedicated storage system in a domestic garage is pretty much impossible. To overcome this problem, for our 2023 technology roadmap, we designed and patented the eFast Carpet, a flat charging solution to push the easy DC fast charging experience even forward. eFast Carpet includes all eFast features with a new engineering approach, a 30 centimeters high mechanical platform with an optimized design to exploit a usually wasted space. Now eFast Carpet is designed with a traditional DC dispenser with socket and cable, but when the vehicle will allow it, we will equip it with an automatic robotic charging device to enable EV charging with no human effort. With our technology family move, we are fostering an easy charging experience for everyone, unlocking fast charging everywhere. Our solution exploits EV batteries at their most, with vehicle-to-grid services and second life applications. But how can we be so confident that we optimize battery usage? How can we be sure that there is no impact on their performance and safety? Nicola, from our Battery Center of Excellence, will give you the answer.
I'm here to present you our technology family store, starting from its core, the batteries. EPS has 15 years of battery integration expertise with a long and proven competence in battery integration, out of more than 20 different chemistries. A couple of examples are here. This is the latest generation of NMC lithium-ion 714 kWh and 1500 volts battery racks,
that are integrated in our high-density containers for storage. While on this side there is an example of a 42 kWh EV battery that will be integrated in a second life application in our e-fleet and e-fast. Battery modules are the core components of our solutions, having a great impact on our system's final cost, from 50% in a 1-hour storage system up to 85% in a 4-hour storage system. I mean, access to best prices is vital. And that's the reason why we are working with the top global battery manufacturers such as Samsung SDI, CATL and LG Chem. And of course, we will do the same with car manufacturer partners in order to remain a top player in the energy storage market. A market that is continuously evolving, proposing new solutions and chemistry for stationary and electric vehicles. We are so flexible and reactive in battery integration thanks to our proprietary software for battery management system, developed to manage performances and safety of batteries. It allows us to design systems compliant with the main automotive and stationary storage international standards. Dealing with batteries, safety-related aspects must be a top priority. This requires a deep knowledge of cells and modules details and a continuous quality and performance check, as we proved being the first to certificate our system for the new IEC 62933 standard. We have a strong focus on battery safety based on 3 key pillars. First, we pursue the maximum safety level by design. In fact, in any battery container, we implement and set 33 risk reduction measures on the basis of a project-specific risk assessment analysis. Second, we perform a severe supplier selection through audits and in-house battery validation tests to verify the declared performance and safety parameters, reducing long-term technological risks. And third, we carefully focus on the monitoring of common mode voltages, since, according to several international studies, uncontrolled common mode voltages have been the main cause of storage plant fire hazards in the last 3 years. In this context, we have developed a specific control board to monitor and reduce common mode voltages among battery racks. This small control board can save any plant from a fire accident. For our 2023 technology roadmap, we clearly identify the technological trends to take into account for our development. Continuous increase of cell capacity and necessary reduction in the use of cobalt, voltage increase up to 1500 volts, adoption for stationary of a liquid cooling system typical of a EV battery, the necessary harmonization of standard and regulation, and the increasing connection between e-mobility and storage. Leading battery know-how to anticipate technology evolution is crucial. For this reason, in the next year, we will continue developing our online battery aging and performance monitoring system, based on the integration of Monica platform developed with ENGIE Laborelec. This is a near real-time data acquisition system which monitors and forecasts battery health and performances, thanks to an adaptive model based on advanced big data analysis and machine learning algorithms. Estimation of future capacity degradation and an early fault detection enables the possibility of optimizing the operating condition, increasing the battery lifetime. Finally, in our 2023 technology roadmap, we will also take full advantage from the partnership with a car maker. This partnership will give us a simplified access to competitive prices and new battery technologies, as well as to hundreds of megawatt-hour of second life battery modules per year, to power our new IS HD containerized product line. To tell you more on this product line, let me pass to Enrico.
Here at EPS, we have an obsession for continuous improvements in technical design. Our highest HD container family is the result of this drive. We have developed this new family, raising the DC bus voltage level from 1000 to 1500 volt, and increasing by more than 3 times the power and energy density of our solutions, reaching up to 14.4 MVA of power conversion systems and 6 MWh of batteries in a 40 feet ISO container. This new technological platform had an outstanding application last year, allowing EPS to design the battery storage systems that won some of the most aggressive PV plus storage and utility scale storage tenders worldwide, proving our great competitiveness. We have secured contracts for more than 700 megawatt-hour of storage plants to be commissioned in the next 3 years. For example, in Puaco, Hawaii, a 240 megawatt-hour usable storage system will be AC coupled to 60 megawatt solar plant. On the Guam Island, Micronesia, a total of 300 megawatt-hour storage system will be DC coupled to more than 50 megawatt of solar plant in 2 solar plus storage projects. In New England, USA mainland, EPS will install 50 megawatt-hour of utility-scale storage systems to provide grid services to the local utility. In Italy, in the context of the highly competitive Fast Resolve Frequency Regulation project, EPS will install more than 70 megawatt of storage plants, having won about 30% of the total capacity auctioned by the Italian transmission system operator Terna. If we're wondering how we manage to be so successful, here it is the answer. We adopt a smart industrial concept. Leveraging on lean manufacturing and agile management processes, we go beyond the pure product manufacturing to play the role of a full system provider, with an unparalleled combination of pioneering technology and extensive know-how. The key points of our successful model are proprietary sizing optimization tools for advanced artificial intelligence-based algorithms, prioritizing both competitiveness and system stability and reliability. Use case modeling, starting from detailed energy and power flows, down to the single component of the system, adding the overarching economic layer. Vertical integration and experienced commissioning capabilities, thanks to the presence of multi-sectoral teams that can manage all on-site activities from installation to system startup. Competitive capacity maintenance packages, thanks to our proprietary augmentation strategy and holistic approach on the entire plant lifecycle. Finally, in evolution, from customized solutions to standardized products, we leverage on proprietary technologies and solid partnerships with the most important battery manufacturers to reach cost competitiveness, modularity, and replicability. In our 2023 roadmap, we will complete the industrialization of ISHD container family, which is composed of the Energy House HD, that is our battery storage system designed for a wide range of power and energy-intensive applications. It is suitable for gigascale projects to provide grid services, renewable capacity firming, and time shifting, including solar plus storage applications. It is available in 2 versions. The first one, up to 6 MWh for long energy storage duration, more than 2 hours. And the second one, up to 3.5 MWh for up to 1 hour applications. They achieve maximum energy density with 1500 volt lithium-ion modules, with a full redundant and modular conditioning and the full integration of firefighting systems. The Hybrid House HD is an all-in-one battery energy storage solution, suitable for utility-scale projects to provide ancillary services, renewables integration, and power quality services. It is available in 3 different versions: 3.6 MVA 3.5 MWh for up to 1 hour applications, 2.8 MVA 4.7 MWh for 2 hour applications, 1.4 MVA 5.3 MWh for 4 hour applications. They have an optimized layout to reduce installation cost and commissioning time. Finally, the Powerhouse HD is a containerized solution hosting a power conversion system and is powered by our highest CBES converter family with a remarkable power density up to 14.4 MVA in a 40-feet container, which is the most power dense ever worldwide for standard technical requirements and is in line with market cost forecast. It is air-cooled and requires just a little effort for installation. The new Powerhouse HD leverages on our proprietary CBES HD inverter, which will be the fundamental building block to realize our future most complex systems. To tell you more on this, here's Massimo.
I am here in front of our CBES HD to present this product and the EPS technology family Convert and Connect. But let's first give you some insights on this market. Energy storage converters price is going down, reaching value around $30,000 per megawatt, since solar inverters manufacturers are jumping into storage market with mass-produced solutions. But the increase of renewables and the switch off of traditional thermal power plants call for specific inverter functionalities. We want to lead power conversion to shy away from commoditization. In fact, in the next years, our product's competitiveness will be secured by the increasing complexity of technical specifications required by grid operators, particularly in large tenders. We have been pioneers in innovative inverter functions for microgrids. It's time to introduce new advanced features also for utility-scale grid-connected plants, such as virtual inertia, spinning reserve, black start, grid-forming capabilities, and mitigation of asymmetric voltage sags with negative sequence current management. We have a 5-year advantage in managing such challenges with our proprietary technologies, as we demonstrated on field through the full seamless inverter transition from on-grid to off-grid and vice versa in a medium voltage multi-megawatt plant, as in our New Caledonia and Comoros microgrids. CBES HD is the last piece of our 15 years experience on CBES PCS family development. While we lead for advanced functionalities, we compete with the first in class also in terms of cost, leveraging the historical Northern Italian manufacturing industrial district for power electronics. CBES HD is a bidirectional power conversion system with a complete circular capability. It is based on a modular 1500 VDC, 3-level MPC, IGBT-based power stack, and it is available in 3 different configurations, from 1.1 to 1.8 MVA with no thermal derating up to 45 Celsius degree. Thanks to the advantages of a full hardware and firmware design, this inverter can operate in transformerless configuration, with the consequent balance of plant cost reduction. It has a full modular configuration with a wide range of overload capability, which increases PCS reliability and maximizes plant availability, overcoming sync module faults, realizing an embedded N-1 feature. Each column has been conceived to be a stand-alone unit. This design represents also a plus for the assembly and the maintainability of the machine. To reinforce our leadership in advanced control functions in our 2023 technology roadmap, we want to upgrade CBES HD to act as a full virtual synchronous machine. We are also running to complete CBES HD UL certification to meet US market needs and to integrate the use of CBES family in our e-fleet products. However, we will keep a make or buy approach for each project in pursuit of the most competitive solution for our customers. We are conscious that the technology world is running fast, asking for even more product modularity and short development time. It requires a technological paradigm shift in our next product generation, and we are ready to face also this great challenge. To tell you all about it, let me pass back to Daniele.
To compete with giant industrial players, we must make the difference by being serial innovators. Being followers developing classic outdoor cubicle solution as our competitors would be a losing strategy. It will be a matter of poor cost competitiveness with low added value. We need to apply the extensive knowledge that we developed in this year on e-mobility to stationary storage application. This also because, according to the most important market analyst forecast, EV battery packs will reach in 3 years extremely low costs, below $100 per kilowatt hour, with a huge availability. In our 2023 technology roadmap, we decided to develop the EBES MMC system, a new storage system that will secure our competitiveness for the next decade. The patented idea behind eBESS is to use EV batteries in stationary storage as they are. We will take them out from any car model and directly put them in our systems without any modification. We will develop a machine that can integrate batteries with different characteristics and different state of health in the same storage rack. Using EV batteries as they are will allow us to maximize procurement flexibility and optimize time to market, so to have batteries at car maker cost. To do it, we plan to develop an innovative special modular multi-level converter, which enables a scalable and plug-and-play solution. The MMC will have a rated power higher than 1 megawatt and will be composed of 20 to 30 insulated modules, depending on the application. The modules will be medium-frequency SiC technology-based AC-DC power converters with independent DC buses and AC outputs series connected to directly create a 3-phases medium voltage output. Thanks to MMC topology, and particularly to medium frequency small transformers placed into the converter modules, the full galvanic insulation will be guaranteed, and we will propose solutions without classic low frequency step-up transformers. In our eBESS MMC system, we strongly focus on new firmware algorithms to safely manage the common mode voltage on different EV batteries and develop a dedicated advanced BMS. EV batteries will be shipped on site placed in a liquid-cooled modular naked skid, drastically shortening the construction times and the related cost of the system. Thanks to just 2 building blocks, the battery naked cubicle and the outdoor MMC cabinet, eBESS MMC will guarantee a great scalability and flexibility, also when different battery C rates are required. In addition, it will guarantee a very simple top-up strategy. In fact, you could do a capacity augmentation simply by adding or replacing battery modules. Finally, eBESS MMC will have an unmatched availability level, thanks to its embedded fault-tolerant feature, that is the possibility to operate bypassing a broken module. In our 2023 technology roadmap, we will design and develop an eBESS full-scale prototype, ready for industrialization, providing EPS with a storage solution 50% cheaper than the 2023 storage market forecast, thanks to the use of EV batteries supplied by a car manufacturer partner. eBESS, as well as all IS platform products, would be unexceptional without a cutting-edge digital control platform. We are working on our control platform with the Politecnico di Milano since 2007, and in 2018 we started up together the Prophet project, the most complex microgrid ever developed, embedded with the most advanced power electronics, controlled by artificial intelligence and neural networks. We will continue to develop our technology family control on this platform. Pietro and Lorenzo will tell you all about our control systems.
To realize the complexity of our technology, to unlock the full value of this complicated system, we built the Prophet EMS optimization and control platform, our plant's orchestrator. Thanks to the collaboration with Politecnico di Milano on the Prophet Microgrid project, in the last 3 years, we have been developing our cutting-edge distributed energy management system control platform. It operates through a network of smart control cabinets and maximizes system resiliency thanks to a well-structured modular hardware and software architecture. The Prophet EMS family has been specifically designed for handling the plant optimization, leveraging on a wide range of modular artificial intelligence-based optimization and predictive algorithms. They maximize the system efficiency while ensuring real-time control, monitoring, automation, and safe operation. The Prophet EMS has already been installed in our off-grid microgrids, grid-connected system, and lately, even in the Mirafiori vehicle-to-grid plant.
The Prophet EMS full modularity is reflected also in its software architecture. The forecasting module makes accurate predictions of renewable generation and load demand. It exploits the power of AI and advanced statistical analysis. The energy management system unlocks the asset's value on the basis of the expected power profiles, using a mathematical optimization core. The power management system exploits a power plant controller to oversee the real-time management of the facility with a closed-loop regulation. The safety and automation management system guarantees the safety of workers and assets. The local monitoring system gives full insight of the plant, managing and collecting field data that will be then used for real-time control and artificial intelligence algorithms training.
In our 2023 technology roadmap, we will improve our platform, embedding even more AI into the Profit EMS to keep the lead in the energy transition. New advanced control functionalities that leverage on the integration of machine learning techniques will be pivotal in the control software of our awarded projects. Let's deepen some of them. PV nowcasting will exploit the power of AI to predict the solar variability in the very short term, allowing an improved ramp rate capability of PV plus BESS, as well as minimization of the storage size. Predictive islanding detection will make grid-supporting inverters compliant with the anti-islanding and intentional islanding requirements of modern grid cores. Power oscillation damping will contribute to safely and stably operate highly renewable penetrated grids. The smarter dispatcher will improve the management of plants composed by batteries with uneven aging and characteristics. E-fleet optimization will enhance the actual algorithm with the integration of AI for predicting EV parking pattern profiles.
Control isn't just a matter of new functionalities, rather, it's a modern industrial approach. The minimization of time to market, commissioning tests, and software debug time is crucial to succeed. In our 2023 technology roadmap, we will work to satisfy these requirements. On one side, we will expand the model-based design to a model-to-X approach, producing automatic porting of the code from a single simulation environment to every control level and hardware architecture. On the other, we will constitute a hardware-in-the-loop test bench for complete, fast, and reliable control software debugging. The Profit EMS manages, schedules, and optimizes all assets in real time. However, the high level of complexity of our plants demands a digital transformation based on a robust foundation of technology, data, and AI to unleash the full value of our systems. To tell you more, here's Kanika.
The energy sector is undergoing a massive digital revolution, and e-mobility is rapidly catching up. Thanks to the application of digital technologies and digital tools, we have improved the accessibility, productivity, and operability of our installations and products. In the last 3 years, we have connected more than 4,700 battery storage modules for a total of 109,000 battery cells, working for over 120,000 operating hours. Our power plants are a complex symphony of high-tech components working in harmony, with each one having to be closely analyzed. Every battery cell, every commutation of the power conversion system, every behavior of the electrical grid might suggest the need for further optimization or might indicate existing anomalies. And so, data availability and in-depth analysis are crucial. This is why, in the 2020 technology roadmap, we developed KVIS, a fully automated end-to-end solution for data acquisition, ingestion, and visualization, which is coupled with advanced analytics. KVIS is a plug-and-play product which caters to industrial microgrids, PV plus storage systems, utility-scale storages, and industrial storage solutions. It connects to our installations remotely via cyber-secure communication channels. Data with different sampling frequencies is acquired, collected, and transferred to a fully automated cloud-based infrastructure readily available for access, elaboration, or visualization. Currently, KVIS monitors performance evaluations via KPIs and advanced analytics and allows drill-down analysis to uncover underlying issues. However, with the 2023 technology roadmap, we will go even beyond. We will be the first in implementing predictive analysis, coupling stationary storage and e-mobility for the Mirafiori 25 megawatt V2G project. As part of the roadmap, we will further exploit artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques to develop KVIS add-ons for specific areas like batteries, power conversion systems, and plant controllers. For batteries, we will track and monitor operations deviating from those set by manufacturers, forecast battery aging, and predict anomalous behavior. For PCSs and plant controllers, we will use pattern detection to identify deviation from normal operating conditions and provide root cause analysis. We will also design and develop an automated alert monitoring system and event-based notification system with advanced analytics and predictive capabilities. These will be infused with domain knowledge to provide recommendations of actionable items. All of this, of course, will be applied to each of our applications with a whole dedicated gamut of analysis. In the e-mobility sector, KVIS will provide an incredible added value. There are infinite innovation possibilities to simplify and revolutionize the charging experience. Giovanni and Juliet will talk more about it.
In order to succeed in our mission of making e-mobility easier and more sustainable, we are building a comprehensive solution suite to address any customer need. This solution will strongly leverage on our new e-mobility universal digital platform to transform mobility, energy, and financial product into a straightforward, fully digital customer experience. The platform will make possible to ensure a simple and effective user interface, being the customer an EV driver, a fleet manager, or a charge point operator. Allow remote control, monitoring, and data collection from different devices, with particular focus on charging station and EV batteries. Apply artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to the data collecting from the field to continuously improve operation and commercial activities. Develop advanced vehicle grid integration capability from smart charging to vehicle to everything, thanks to eProfit energy management system and eWise function, running locally or cloud-based. We will continue our open innovation strategy, under which we collaborate with a network of partners, companies from industrial leaders to innovative startups and leading universities. With them, we will continue to assess best-in-class opportunities to create cutting-edge innovation without the need of reinventing the wheel. The wheel itself, one of the few things to survive this e-mobility revolution.
In our 2023 technology roadmap, we're developing our e-mobility universal digital platform to transform EV charging into a revolutionary experience. The essence of our digital platform is to unlock services to provide an effective solution to EV drivers' charging anxiety, which is, as of today, the most important barrier to the purchase of electric vehicles. We're working to develop an e-commerce platform that will enable the future launch of a subscription offer coordinating public and private charging. Our universal digital platform has a complex technical architecture, not only to collect customer data, but also to give a real meaning to its data. In fact, it is composed of 4 main functionalities. First, the e-commerce. It will include our product catalog, which will keep growing over time. The current product selection allows our customer to choose autonomously the best charging option based on its consumption. Second, the CRM. to manage customer subscription lifecycle, starting from the purchase of the subscription to the shipping of the Easy Wallbox, then to the hardware installation, and finally, the daily charging experience of the customer. Third, the billing system, which has two levels of action, an active one to manage the end customer subscription, and a passive one to manage the different counterparts and the customer actual energy consumption. Last but not least, the fourth, the charging service system covering private and public charging sessions. On the private charging side, the customer will have access to a personalized dashboard to its private EV consumption, fully integrated with its own energy provider. Whereas on the public charging side, an access to more than 200,000 points in Europe through a single app, together with other features such as Charging Road Optimizer, granting the customer to finally drive more relaxed. This type of complex digital product will of course need permanent cybersecurity connectivity. Therefore, we're working on different possible upgrades, leveraging our remote microgrid connectivity experience and cybersecurity know-how. EV drivers will experience their electrical life in the easiest way with a complex solution calibrated on their charging habits.
In the next 3 years, we will bring you all into an amazing full electric e-mobility experience. In the next 3 years, we will demonstrate one more time to lead the booming of energy storage market. In the next 3 years, not only will we fully implement this technology roadmap, but we have the ambition to position 3 years ahead of the market and to continue to lead the energy transition. See you in 2023.
Thank you for joining us, stay safe, and continue to follow us.